Hey everyone, today we have a beautiful gold La Pavoni Professional. And typical with La Pavonis, this unit was leaking from the sightglass area and around the steam handle. And with most La Pavonis, all you have to do is perform a tune-up, which is taking it apart, replacing some gaskets, lubing everything up. And now she's running like a charm, so let's pull a shot. There's some pressure. Let the group head fill. There she is. Maybe a bit too much coffee in the portafilter, or the ground might be a bit too fine, but as you can see, there's good crema. Temperature's right. Gotta let it build a